Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by anchoring the base so the extension sits flush. First, detangle and mist hair lightly to reduce frizz. This helps the extension blend. Next, gather hair into your chosen ponytail height and wrap an elastic twice for a firm hold. Once done, check the circumference of your ponytail and open the extension's clips or combs. This makes aligning easier. Make sure the extension's base material will sit flat against your real ponytail to avoid lumps. You now attach and blend the extension carefully so it looks natural. Place the extension base over your secured ponytail, aligning its seam with the elastic to hide the joint. Then fasten the inner combs or loops into your hair and close outer clips. Press each clip firmly against the scalp. After that, wrap any weft or drawstring around the ponytail stem and tuck the end under. Use bobby pins spaced every 1 to 2 inches to lock everything in place for long wear. You finish by styling and checking stability so the ponytail looks seamless. Smooth the extension with your fingers or apply gentle heat to curl or straighten. Use low settings to protect fibers. Wrap a small strand of your real hair around the elastic to conceal the seam and pin it under the ponytail for a polished look. If the extension slips, add extra bobby pins or a non-slip elastic and reposition clips away from pressure points. This corrects movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.